This is the 3D VIEW-MASTER fairy tale, The Hunchback of Notre by Walt Disney. VIEW-MASTER Reel 1. Picture 1. The Great Notre Dame Cathedral. Picture 2. Sweet Quasimodo's Bell Tower Home. Picture 3. Frollo, Quasimodo's cruel master. Picture 4. Quasimodo's carved buildings and people. Picture 5. 3 funny gargoyle pals. Picture 6. Go on and live a little. Picture 7. The lively festival of fools. VIEW-MASTER Reel 2. Picture 1. Quasimodo is crowned King of Fools. Picture 2. The crowd becomes angry. Picture 3. Kind Esmeralda helps Quasimodo. Picture 4. Captain Phoebus arrests Esmeralda. Picture 5. Esmeralda finds safety and a friend. Picture 6. Search all of Paris for the girl. Picture 7. Phoebus is attacked by Frollo's men. VIEW-MASTER Reel 3. Picture 1. Esmeralda seeks safety for Phoebus. Picture 2. Frollo tricks Quasimodo to find Esmeralda. Picture 3. Off to warn Esmeralda. Picture 4. Captured by evil Frollo. Picture 5. Courageous Quasimodo defeats Frollo. Picture 6. The hero Quasimodo with his friends. Picture 7. 3 cheers for Quasimodo